how to turn on or off mobile hotspot on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the mobile hotspot feature on your iPhone. So it's really simple. You can swipe down from the top right and you'll need to toggle on your cellular data first. And once you do it, you can go to your settings and then tap on personal hotspot and then just toggle on allow others to join. Now, if you don't want others to join, you can just simply tap on it and turn it off. And if you want to turn off the cellular data itself, then just swipe down from the right and turn it off. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.